Hello everyone, this is Sanjana. Welcome back again. In this video, we will be looking at Grade 7 Geography Unit 2, the social identity of Sri Lanka. First, we will look at the geographical identity of Sri Lanka. Next, national heritages. As we all know, national heritages can be divided into two segments: tangible and intangible heritages. Then we will talk about cultural festivals and religions. We all know Sri Lanka is a multi-religious country. Stay tuned until the end of the lesson. Let's get started. Geography, Grade 7, Unit 2. Let's see how we can describe the geographical identity of Sri Lanka. As we all know, Sri Lanka is an island. It is located in the Indian Ocean and it is below India, which is the name of Sri Lanka. Name four islands located in the Indian Ocean: Maldives, Andaman, Nicobar Archipelago, and Lakshadweep. This map shows us the location of Maldives. Next, the location of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And finally, the location of Lakshadweep. What are three relief zones in Sri Lanka? Central Hills in the central part of Sri Lanka, coastal plain along the coastal belt of Sri Lanka, and intermediate plain between Central Hills and coastal plain. I repeat again: Central Hills, intermediate plain, and coastal plain. What do you call the relief zones from 0 to 30 meters, 30 to 300 meters, and 300 meters above? 0 to 30 meters, coastal plain; 30 to 300 meters, intermediate plain; 300 meters and above, central hills. What is the total area of Sri Lanka? The total area of Sri Lanka is 65,610 square kilometers. What are the features in the intermediate plain of Sri Lanka? Ridges, plains, and residual hills. What are the features in the coastal plain of Sri Lanka? Bays, lagoons, points, and islands. Name three ways of occurring rainfall in Sri Lanka: monsoon rain, convection rain, and cyclones. Name three physical features in the central hills of Sri Lanka: valleys, gaps, and waterfalls. What do you mean by convection rain? Convection rainfall seems to occur when the heated air from the Earth's surface rises upwards along the water vapor and gets condensed when it reaches a higher altitude. What do you mean by monsoons? The periodical winds blowing in the country from the southwest and northeast are called monsoons. What do you mean by cyclones, friends? Cyclones are large revolving tropical storms caused by winds blowing around a central part of low atmospheric pressure. Name three months which southwest monsoon rain occurs: May, June, and July. What are the months which northeast monsoon rain occurs? November, December, and January. Name the months which convection rain occurs: March, April, September, and October. Name three months which cyclones occur: October, November, and December. In which months of the year does driest period prevail in Sri Lanka? February and August. What are the major religions in Sri Lanka? Buddhism, Catholicism, Hinduism, and Islam. What do you mean by tangible heritages? This is a tricky question. The type of heritages that can be touched and seen. What do you mean by intangible heritages? The type of heritages that cannot be touched but can be seen through human behavior. Let's look at tangible and intangible heritages. Tangible heritages can be divided into two parts, man made and natural heritages. Some examples for natural heritages: Sinharati Forest, Namaluyana, Hikkaduwa Coast, hot water springs, and waterfalls. Man-made heritages can be divided into two parts, religious centers and other creations. Some examples for other creations: Segiriya, Ranmasu Iyana, Jaffna Fort, tanks, irrigation works. Some examples for religious centers: Sri Mahabodhi, Madhu Church, Sacred City of Khattaragaba, mosques, and Nallur Kovil. Intangible heritages. Let's look at some examples for intangible heritages: hospitality, respecting and taking care of elders, compliments, customs, and manners. Now I'm going to show you some pictures of religious centers and other creations. This is a picture of mosques. Next, Sri Mahabodhi, Koneshwaram Kovil, Sacred City of Katharagama, Sigiriya, Ranmasu Uyana, Jaffna Fort, irrigation work, tanks, and so on. Name a natural world heritage in Sri Lanka. Sinharati Forest. Name two religious centers, Madhu Church and Koneshwaram Kovil. Name five festivals in Sri Lanka: Vesak, Vasan, Deepavali, Ramadan, and Christmas. Name some South Asian countries: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Maldives, and Bhutan. This table shows us the country's social development data. Life expectancy in India 65.8, Pakistan 65.7, Bangladesh 69.2, Nepal 69.1, Sri Lanka 75.1, Bhutan 67.6, Maldives 77.1. Literacy 15 years and above. In India 63, Pakistan 54.5, Bangladesh 56.75, Nepal 60.65, Sri Lanka 92, Bhutan not available, Maldives 98. Birth rate 2000. In India 22.2, Pakistan 27.3, Bangladesh 20.3, Nepal 24.1, Sri Lanka 17.6, Bhutan 20.4, Maldives 16.8. Infant mortality rate 2000 live births. Pakistan 70, Bangladesh 38, Nepal 41, Sri Lanka 14, Bhutan 44, and Maldives 14. Maternal mortality rate 4000. In India 200, Pakistan 260, Bangladesh 240, Nepal 170, Sri Lanka 35, Bhutan 180, Maldives 60. This is the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, please like, share and comment. I hope to see you in another video with another quiz. Bye friends. and happy learning.